Hello, everybody. Anton Crayley here, and welcome back to the E-commerce Lifestyle Podcast. This is our bi-weekly show designed to help e-commerce store owners to increase their revenue, automate their operations, and become the authority in their niche. Now, today's episode should definitely help with increasing revenue for your stores. So what I want to share with you is why Q4, October, November, December starts now for the most successful e-commerce stores and why it should start for you now as well. I will say before I get into this, I'm not going to share the specific campaigns and promotions that we're running for the fourth quarter. I may do an episode on Thursday that goes into that in detail. So if you want to know that, definitely let me know. Leave a comment if you're watching the video of this or leave a review over on Apple Podcasts. And then I can share our dates and our exact sales strategy. But what I want to share with you in this episode is why you should start your planning now and why you should have everything actually created now. That way, when again, October, November, December, the busiest shopping season of the year rolls around, you're not scrambling last minute thinking, oh, I should post something on my Facebook page or I should send out an email. No, have that all done now so it could be as cleaned and as polished as it needs to be so that you're not even worried about it. You can actually enjoy the holidays while having your marketing machine just work in the background and seeing tons of extra revenue come in while, again, you enjoy life, not be stressed out. So this is what my team and I have been doing since June. For us, this work is basically done. There's still plenty of time though. My advice though is if you're watching this or listening to this, do it sooner rather than later. So step one is to create your promotional calendar. Now, a calendar for us is literally a calendar inside of Google Calendars, and we have shared calendars with the teams. And what we'll do is look at the year. We usually go back a couple of years and see what has worked best for us historically. So if you've ran promotions in the past, specifically fourth quarter promotions, what you should do is go back and look at them and see what have worked best for you. Now, you don't want to just completely copy them. Sometimes you can, but you want to see if there's anything you've learned that might make them better or worse, whatever. But you want to go into your calendars for October, November, December, and start literally putting on the days of the month. Which days are you going to have emails sent out for promotions? Which days are promotions going to be open? And specifically, from when it comes to emails, how many emails are going to be sent? So let's just say when you're looking at these 3 months for you, you decide you want to have 6 different promotions throughout the fourth quarter. So if you do this, and by the way, this is actually how many we have. And I think, yeah, Thursday, if you guys want it, let me know. I'll share what our promotions are with you in Thursday's episode. But if you come up with 6 promotions as well, my advice to you is first, again, put them all in your calendars. And then second, create a different doc. We use Google Docs for this. Create a different one for each promotion. So you'd have 6 different Google Docs. Now, in these Google Docs, what we do is in the top of it, list the promotion name, then list what dates that promotion is open, then list how many emails are going to be sent. So let's just say call it promotion 1 in your promotion doc, and this might be what's the first holiday? Probably Halloween. This might be a Halloween promotion. Maybe that promotion for you is going to include 5 emails. So in here, what you can do is start creating that draft. And then whether it's you that writes emails for your company or whether it's a copywriter or a freelancer, whoever does your email marketing, these 5 emails for that promotion should be created within this doc now. And just like I said, that would be your first promotion, right? So that would be doc 1. Then you would create doc 2 with the second promotion. What is the promotion? What are you offering? What's special about it basically? What dates is it open? How many emails are going to be sent out during this promotion? What's going to be offered in those emails? And then you or your copywriter can complete promo doc 2. And so on and so on. And you could see how this will start stacking up because if you have 6 promotions throughout those 3 months, let's just say you have an average of 5 emails per promotion, you're looking at 30 different emails that need to be written. So that, again, it builds up quick. And that's not something you want to be doing last minute while you're trying to enjoy the holidays, while your competitors are all making a bunch of money because their promotions are already scheduled. So that's step 1, right? Put the dates on the calendar. Then you want to go to step 2, which is actually create these docs and have the email copy written. So you might be thinking, well, that's a lot, but yeah, I can get that done before Q4. What else really needs to happen? Do I really need to do this now? Can I wait a month or so? Well, we do a lot more. Again, this is the starting point. because from our emails, that is where a lot of revenue comes from when it comes to these promotions. But what we also do is sync our ads with our emails. So when we have a promotion like this going out, we're also running Google display ads, we're also running Google discovery ads, and we're running Facebook remarketing ads that match the messages from these emails. So after all these emails are written, then for us, and maybe again, this is you, maybe it's a freelancer, maybe it's Fiverr, whatever, it doesn't really matter, but we move down to the step where we have our graphics created. And these graphics, some of them are to be used in emails, but many of them are also to be used in ads. And when you think about all the variations you need, again, certain sizes for Google Discovery, certain sizes for Google Display, certain sizes for Facebook, it takes designers time because they're going to be doing these for at least 6 promotions. And if you're going to get as deep as we do, you probably will have a different image that you use for your ads every day that follows this promotion along. Now, on top of that, what else has to happen? Well, another thing that we do while these promotions are live, which I would highly recommend you do as well, is modify your store to show off each promotion. Because let's just say it is Black Friday coming up. Everybody that's visiting your store, whether they came there looking for a deal or whether they just clicked a normal Google shopping ad, they're going to expect that there's something being offered because Black Friday is coming up. So the way that we like to promote our Black Friday offers, for example, really all of our offers on our store, is by showing them off with our homepage image sliders. So that's more graphics right there. I'll just put homepage image sliders. And then in addition to that, we create special collections on our stores that include all of the promo products, if it's for a specific set of products. So collections with the promo products. Now, these things, again, are things you would actually set up as the promotion got closer, but they're things you should plan for now. Because again, a terrible thing that could happen is you're simply, sitting around, not thinking about promotions. You realize Thanksgiving and Black Friday are coming up. You think, oh, let me write an email to my list. You write the email. It doesn't even come off well because you put it together as fast as you can. You don't have any custom images within the email that are showing off your promotion. Your store isn't modified at all to let shoppers know there's a promotion happening. There are no ads on Facebook going to your remarketing audiences. Google Display Network isn't even running. Let's say you even try to make a Google Discovery ad and it gets approved after the promotion's over. None of those things should happen. And the reason they shouldn't happen is because you should plan for them now. So again, guys, I hope you found this helpful. I didn't want to get deep into our strategy as far as, again, which days we're sending emails, which promotions we're running, what we're offering off. I do think that'll be a topic for Thursday. So again, if you want to see that, let me know by giving this a like if you're watching it on YouTube or by leaving a review if you're over on Apple Podcasts, and then we can get deeper into the strategy. But as far as what you should do right now, if you've ran promotions in the past during the fourth quarter, my advice is go back, look at your data, see what's worked, see what hasn't, and start putting dates on the calendar. Start creating your own promo docs. And we could pick up where we left off maybe a little bit later in the week. So that's it for this episode, guys. I'll also say if anybody's listening right now or watching this and you don't have a store yet and you want to be able to actually capitalize on the fourth quarter, I will say there is still time between now and then to actually get a store set up, get some supplies on it, and be able to kind of kick off your store with a bang. So if you want to do that, go to dropshipwebinar.com. I have a free training there that shows you how we build our stores. And I also make a special offer on the Dropship Blueprint should you want to get enrolled in our program. And I also make an offer where my team can literally build your store for you. So there's no reason why it can't be ready for Q4. Again, that's dropshipwebinar.com. So with that being said, thank you, everybody. I appreciate you. And I'll talk to you on Thursday for the next episode of the E-commerce Lifestyle Podcast. See you, everybody.